Good afternoon. I am making Tamari Nuts and Seeds. Now these are such an amazing snack. They're very, very Moorish, so very hard to stop it, but they're actually quite expensive to buy. The tamari side of it comes from tamari soy sauce, which is wheat-free and gluten-free, and that's why these are a very, very popular snack amongst us gluten-free folk. But they're also awesome to take away if you're trekking, or if you even, just at home, that you want that, a good nutritional afternoon snack. My name is Wick Nixon from Wick Wellbeing, and I'm all about healthy eating made easy. So if you are just joining me, we are making tamari almond and seeds. And so I'm doing a little bit of an Alison Holster. I've got some already cooking in the oven, and I'm just going to take you through the process. If you want to grab the recipe, because it's really easy, but it's kind of a step 7 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes. And so if you want to grab the recipe, head to wickedwellbeing.com/snacks. You might have already downloaded it. It's a quick, nutritious energy snacks ebook that I've put together, and it's got this recipe plus 5 others in it. 4 others, and then some quick and easy snack ideas to pin onto your fridge, a list of them. So honestly, all that you need to do, now you can buy these really, really easily. I know that you can buy tamari almonds separately. You can also buy tamari sunflower seeds, but for ease, I just do them all together and mix them. So you put them onto a tray. Okay, I'm doing, the recipe is 1 cup of almonds and then half of sunflower and pumpkin seeds, and you just spread them out evenly onto a tray. Now I've got a baking sheet which I've laid down here. It is a non-stick baking sheet, and it's a replacement for baking paper. If you want to grab one, I've got them on my website, wickedwellbeing.com. They make really awesome, go to the shop. They make really awesome Christmas gifts as well for, a foodie who has got everything but possibly not a baking sheet. So you just distribute them out evenly like that. My oven's on 180, and you cook them at like this for 7 minutes. And then you, at 3.5 minutes, you turn them over, flip them over, because you want to evenly brown them. And then what I'm going to do, because I know that these ones are nearly ready, so I'm going to pull them out of the oven. I knew that my buzzer was nearly ready. So those are just lightly browned and hot. I'm going to put them into my bowl here. Just make sure that they... Now, tamari soy sauce is actually quite salty. So depending on how salty you like them, I'm just putting a couple of tablespoons, and you can play around with it. Then you hear them sizzle. And a little bit more, and then you coat them to evenly, stir it around to evenly coat. And they're steaming, they're quite wet at this stage. I'll put them back onto my tray. So, and then I'll evenly distribute. They're so easy to make. But yeah, as I say, they're quite expensive to buy. So I'm distributing those evenly, spreading them out evenly. I'll put them back in the oven for another couple of minutes. Now don't forget, if you want to grab this recipe where it's all laid out to you, the exact timing, the exact proportions, then head to wickedwellbeing.com/snacks. And I've put an ebook together which has got 5 healthy, nutritious snack recipes, and plus also a list of 25 snack ideas that you can print out and put onto your fridge. And this is one of the recipes that is in this ebook. So that's in the ebook. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in the oven there for another 2 minutes, and then I will get them back out. I will turn it over again, put it back in the oven for another 2 minutes, and then they are done. And you just want to make sure that the tamari, this has, you know, it's dry. You don't want any wet, but you also don't want them overcooked. So make sure you grab that recipe or that ebook at wickedwellbeing.com/snacks, and then let them cool, because the tamari will dry, and then they're really crunchy and they're really just an incredible flavor. An awesome snack to take away if you're going tramping. I went on a tramp last year and I took these with me, and everyone just absolutely loved them. So, and then also just, you know, something alternative, also great to put on the Christmas table on Christmas Day. A really nutritious, Moorish, enjoyable snack for everyone. So thank you so much for joining me. I would love to know, is this something that you buy, or do you make your own, or after seeing this, will you give them a go making them at home? Thank you very much, and I will look forward to connecting with you again next week. See you later. Bye.